Okay, so this is the second part of our basic integration set of videos. Okay, so we have general power rule, ma-review kita gamay, and then we have logarithmic rules and exponential rules. Okay. So all of these can also be found in your module. Okay, so let's start with the problems. For general power rule, as a review, we have here the UDU, ginsulat ko na de. Okay? Because it's called general power rule, kung sino nga term ang niya asang power, siya na ang imong U. Okay. So, ang U naton is 7x squared minus 2. And DU stands for derived U, di ba? And this becomes 14x. And then observe the term beside it, it's only x. So, what you have to do is to make it 14x. So, we are going to multiply it by 14 over 14. And then x, 7x squared minus 2 cubed dx. So, if you're wondering, once again, why are we multiplying it this way? Nga ang aras babok sa dalom. Because as you know, any number divided by itself is equal to 1. This guy is actually equal to 1. Para as if kung wala siya natandog or anything, no, 1 lang man na siya Japon. So that's why. And then, the numerator is multiplied here, and ang mabilin sa gwa is 1 over 14, integral of 14x times 7x squared minus 2 cubed dx. Now that we have the requirements set, ang aton sining na derivative at aton na integral is 1 over 14 times 7x squared minus 2. Ang 3 may mo siya nga 4 over 4. And then plus c. Pero simplify ta siya. This is 7x squared minus 2 raised to 4 over 14 times 4 is 56 plus c. And this is the answer for this problem. Okay, next. We have here x cubed times 2x squared minus 4 cubed. So, ang u naton is 2x squared minus 4. Ang du naton is 4x. As you can see, ang aton diri nga stubangan is only, hindi gani, mas dako pag siya, x cubed siya mo. Okay. So, ano na siya, mis ay multiply ta dira. 4 sa babaw na siya. Pero, ang x naton na kinangan, isa lang. Hukson talapat ang 2 kay 3 nimo. So, mang-divide kita sa x squared. So, may 4 over x squared na tag dire. Wala man na kaso nga ma-divide kita din sa 4 over x squared. So, same lang Japon. 1 lang man sa Japon. Okay? Pero may gamay lang nga lain karon. So, we have x cubed, 2x squared minus 4 cubed dx. Okay? And then, multiply the numerator here. Observe nyo guys, si 4 over x squared times x cubed, kung i-multiply, kung may mo siya nga 4x cubed over x squared, pero cancel na so makancel niya yung 3. Kay may banan siya 2, isa na nabilin. So, amo na siya, requirement nga, ginapangita naton. So, yay! Charot. Okay. Another thing, ining 4 over x squared, diba kung mahukas ni siya ang atong numerator, numerator, mo 1 na lang na din. Di kay, kumbaga, fraction siya nga ara sa denominator, pwede mo na siya pasakaon, pero reciprocal ni siya. May mo na siya subong x squared over 4. Okay? Integral of 4x, 2x squared minus 4 raised to 3 dx. Okay? So, medyo gamo lang siya. Bantayan nyo gid. Balik niya. Charot. Na sa, okay? So, yay! Requirements are set. Ang ato nga integral is x squared over 4. And then, 2x squared minus 4. Ang 3 may mo nga 4 over 4 plus c. Okay. So, simplifying x squared, 2x squared minus 4 raised to 4 all over 16 plus c. Okay. So, yay! Happy Another example. We have here x cubed over x to the 4th minus 3 raised to 5 galing ara sa dalom. Ang aton nga term nga may ara sang exponent. Wala kaso, this can still be written as x cubed times x to the fourth minus 3 raised to negative 5. Diba? Kung nara sa denominator, kung pasakaon mo siya, ang iyang exponent may mo negative. So, wala kaso. In this case, the more complicated term is still x to the fourth minus 3. And ang gina-expect nga du should be 4x cubed. As you can see, we only have x cubed. So, tapos lang, multiply lang kita sa 4 over 4. And then, x cubed, x to the fourth minus 3 raised to negative 5 dx. Multiply numerator here. And you have, 1 over 4. Okay. Integral of 4x cubed times x to the fourth minus 3 raised to negative 5 dx. Okay. So, we have our requirement set. And the integral is going to be 1 over 4 and x to the fourth minus 3. Ang negative 5 mo, plus 1 ka. So, may mo siya negative 4. Kung ano exponent mo sa babaw, siya sa dalom, so negative 4 ka man de. Okay? Plus c. And to simplify this becomes x to the fourth minus 3 raised to negative 4 over 4 kag negative 4 multiply ni negative 16 plus c. Pero, mayara kapag sang inog simplify pagidire. Ang aton nga negative 4 nga exponent, pwede mo na siya mapanaog para mahimo siya nga positive exponent. So, ang mabilin sa baba, 1 na lang gid. Over negative 16 times x to the fourth minus 3 raised to 4 plus c. And this is the answer for this example. Okay? What is the difference between charot. Ang next karon nga ipakita ko kay ini. So, remember guys, general power rule may power. This time, sa logarithmic rules, wala asang power as in super like terms lang gid sila ang as is. Whether it's in the denominator or numerator, but you are looking at fractions this time. So, logarithmic rules, no? We have simple and the general power ng logarithmic rules. So, we have 1 over x. Kung x lang gid ang imong variable, ang iyang integral is ln of x plus c lang gid. But, if it's a complicated term like this, bantay ka mo sang inyo nga gamiton nga u. The denominator is u. And you also need the derivative of u. Okay? So, for example, in this case, ang u naton is 4x squared plus 3. Ang derivative sina, dibla, 8x. So, bantayan nyo dayon ang sa babaw. Ay, 8x na siya. Yay! No need to do anything else. So, the derivative per mig ng ball ko. Kinaanad ko bi kayo do differential per mig na tudlo tay. Laka ang tamag tudlo integral eh. Okay, so the answer for this one is ln 4x squared plus 3 plus c. Very simple. Okay. As long as you get the requirements ng DU, naka-plus-star na, goods ka. Okay? Next example. X over x squared plus 1. So, u natin is x squared plus 1. The du is 2x. But as you can see, the numerator is x. So, you have to multiply just like we did earlier. So, this will be multiplied by 2 over 2, integral of x over x squared plus 1 dx. Numerator, multiply din sa iya. So, this becomes 1/2 integral of 2x over x squared plus 1 dx. Since ara na requirements, tawhay na, 1/2 ka na lang de, ln x squared plus 1 plus c. Finish. Okay? And another one for this set of rules. You have 3x squared plus 1 over x cubed plus x. So, RU is x cubed plus x. So, ang gina-expect nga du is 3x squared plus 1. Ba? Napo nga, may example, do hapos. So, ang atong na du, same sa numerator naton. So, no problem na ta. Ang atong sining integral is ln x cubed plus x plus c. Hindi kita magkalipat sang c ha ginamba. Kung nasin nyo sa nagligad, it's your arbitrary constant. Guys, if you go back to derivatives, base may constant na nga gin-derive, so nadula siya. Kag wala ka balo kung pila na siya. Basi 3, basi 1, basi 2, you don't know. Okay? And then, moving on to the next examples. The next examples are finally about exponential rules. Change color. Okay. So, just like logarithmic din nga rules, mera man kita duwa, isa ka simple, isa nga mera sang involving power or general nga rule naton. So, you have e raised to x. Amo na siyang bantayan niyo. Basta may e raised to x or e raised to a certain tools na man function. So, exponential na siya, of course. So, yeah, we still need to look out for EU du. Okay, EU du man Japon bantayan tadi. So, for example, aton diri nga makita, it's 6 times e raised to negative 3x. Si 6, di ba, magwala na siya. So, ang aton constant pagwaon. And then, you can concentrate with e raised to negative 3x dx. So, our u is negative 3x, but the du is supposed to be negative 3. Ang makita naton diri subong 6. So, anong himuon ta para ang 6 mahimo negative 3? Okay. So, what we're going to do is, mang-divide kita sa negative 2. So, this becomes, pakita ko lang sa inyo, ma-negative 2 over negative 2 ko de. Okay? Kaya ba si Balapit sa inyo, diba, mismo divide kayo sa 2, dapat 1/2. Sige lang, pasakay lang. So, you have negative 2 over negative 2. And then, you have, siguro si 6. Butang tamang di Japon, no? Si 6. And you have e raised to negative 3x dx. Okay. So, what happens is, you have, negative 2 here, dalom. Kag may 6 ka di. So, natabo, doon nag-negative 2 ka di. So, nag-multiply ka sa 6 over negative 2. Diba ang ini siya? O, may mo siya nga negative 3. Diba? May mo siya nga negative 3. So, in the end, ang imo nga requirement, may mo man Japon. So, may mo siya nga negative 2 times negative 3, which is ang aton nga diyo. To kagaina, integral of e raised to negative 3x dx. Okay. So, yes, nahimo ta naton requirement. And then, we are left with negative 2, okay, times e raised to negative 3x plus c. This is simply the answer. Okay, so matabo EU plus C lang gid siya ya. Basta mahimo mo lang ang imong requirements, good ka na. Okay. So screenshot if you want. Gusto ko to mag-check out sang 1/2. What if 1/2 ang himuon ta? Okay? So reason ko na. Okay, going back sa ginamba ko again, nati 6 siya. At gusto na to ni mo, may mo siya negative 3. So, laban-laban, ang first na itong reaction is to divide 6 by negative 2. Para may mo siya nga negative 3. So, siguro, umuni ang napinsaran sa iban. So, may siya nga negative 1/2 over negative 1/2, which is true. Lagi na may example, tanga nagimot or nagamit na fraction mo. Okay. So, si 6, ayala. Si 6, tayo wala ko siya ipagwada na, no? Sige na lang. 3x dx. Okay. So, multiplying the numerator with this guy, I will get negative 3, which is good. And then, ang aton nga denominator is a fraction. So, kung i-finalize na ni siya karon, i-reciprocal naman siya Japon. So, may mo siya Japon nga negative 2. Diba? Ini-reciprocal na siya, oh. Reciprocal niya is negative 2. Okay, kaya naka 1 over 1/2 pagkikita. So, with that negative 2, we have e right here raised to negative 3x plus c, and still the same answer. Okay? Next example. Okay, we have here, we are looking for the integral of e raised to 1/2 x. So, ang aton nga u is 1/2 x, and our du is supposed to be 1/2. Obviously, there is no 1/2 here, so it's easy. Just multiply by 1/2. Okay, personal gina, 1/2. Okay, and then you have here e raised to 1/2 x dx. Okay. But actually, ang ini siya, madula na siya, kaya ma-absorb na siya sa aton requirements, and you're left with 1/2 na lang. So, ara siya sa dalom, ma-reciprocal na siya. So, this becomes 2e raised to, oops, ano negative po? Raised to 1/2 x plus c. Okay? Okay. And lastly, this example. So, we have x squared plus 1 times e raised to x cubed plus 3x dx. So, no problem if it looks quite complicated. Then, tawag nyo na si u nyo. U is x cubed plus 3x. Our du is 3x squared plus 3. A good thing is, ang aton nga 3x squared plus 3 is a multiple of x squared plus 1. Ano ang i-multiply naton? We are going to multiply 3 over 3. Okay, 3 over 3, integral of x squared plus 1, e raised to x cubed plus 3x dx. Okay, so this guy multiply dire, mimo na lang kita 1/3, no? 3x squared plus 3. Kaya ma-distribute na siya mo, 3x squared, 3. Okay, e raised to x cubed plus 3x dx. And finally, ang atong answer is 1/3 e raised to x cubed plus 3x plus c. And that is the final, oops, saan pa 1? Final answer for this example. Okay, so after this, it's either the combination of all of these rules or trigonometric. Okay, so that's it.